You've had the pain, you told me 17 plus years
Yeah.
from injury in high school.
I used to work out and,
Yeah, you said football too, right?
I quit everything.
Make your belly into jelly. Here we go.
Oh my God. Man. That's empty pop.
Yeah.
Oh.
You feel go all the way down?
Yes.
Even the low back crack, right? Good.
Oh, that feels better.
Yeah.
For real.
Oh, right there.
Oh
There you go. Right there.
my God. That feels weird. I feel loose.
When was the last time you felt this loose?
Man, years.